Welcome to the next video of our Next.js 15 full stack development tutorial series. In this video, we will actually learn how to install Node.js on your computer. If you have done that already and you already have installed Node.js on your computer, you can skip this tutorial. But if you haven't, so we're actually going to learn how to install Node.js on your computer. So for Next.js 15, for the latest version of Next.js 15, we need at least Node.js 18.18 version. So for that, what you have to do is just search on Google Node.js 18.18, and you can see 18.18 this version. So we can use actually this version. So let's just go to download tab, and we can just have 18 point. This is the LTS version, so LTS version is always best, and you can either have this or you can just have LTS 20.18 version. So I suggest you to use this one. I think this is the most stable version. So what is LTS? LTS is actually long-term support. That means this is the most stable version of Node. So what you have to do, just click on, either you can download from package manager, or you can just download this file. This will be an executable file. You can just simply click on this download link here, and it will download this 25 MBs file onto your computer. Once you have that, simply you have to open that and right click and then open with run as installed, and then maybe run as an administrator. But if simply you can just click on install, and after that, once you have done that, so it will be just a simple next installations. You won't have to do anything. It's a simple next installation. Because I have done installation, so I'll just move to next step. So you can just click on run, and then it's a simple next installation. So once you do that, later version of Node is already installed, so that will now exit. So it is a simple next installation. Once you have done that, what you have to do is you just click on finish. Once you have done that, what you have to do is go to your CMD. So this is your command line, and you are going to interact with this command line more frequently now. So if you are already a programmer, so you are very familiar with it. But if you're not, this is going to be maybe first time that you are going to learn any sort of programming. So this is your command line. So what you have to do is just write here node space version, and just save. So I have 18.20.4, which I'm good to go, and I have latest version of not latest, but I have I'm meeting the requirements that we are needed to run Next.js. So that's that. So if you still want to verify the installation, so if it shows this version, that means installation is done. If it doesn't show on your computer after you install Node.js, that means your installation wasn't done properly. If you have any problem in installation, just leave a comment in this video, and I'll actually respond to that. Or maybe if you have any other error that you're seeing related to Node.js installation, so just let me know, and I can actually install an updated video for that. So you can just write node, and after that, let's just write a simple JavaScript code snippet, and maybe console.log. Let's just print a simple hello world. And let's see. So that means if it prints hello world, that means node.js is installed successfully on your computer, and you are good to go. In next video, we'll learn about installation of any IDE that we'll be using. We'll be using Cursor. So in next video, we'll learn that. So this was it for today's video, and next video, I'll see you next video. Bye bye.